In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add charts and graphs to your Canva documents, enhancing the visual appeal and data clarity of your designs. Whether you're working on a presentation, a report, or just trying to decipher complex information, charts and graphs can be indispensable tools for conveying your message effectively. Let's dive right in and guide you through this simple yet powerful process. First, let's start by accessing your Canva document. Open your web browser and navigate to Canva, then log into your account if you haven't already, and identify the specific document you would like to edit or create new content in. Once you're in your desired document, we're ready to begin enhancing it with visual data. Now that you have your document open, let's look for the Elements tab on the left-hand side of the screen. This section is a treasure trove of design elements ranging from shapes and lines to photos and videos. For our purpose today, we are focusing on finding charts and graphs to add. So click on the Elements tab to reveal this feature-rich area. Within the Elements panel, you'll find a handy search bar. Type charts or graphs into this search bar and press enter. Instantly, a variety of chart and graph options will appear. Canva offers a plethora of styles: bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and more. Each of these options can be customized and tailored to fit the specific data visualization needs of your project. Take a moment to browse through these options. Consider the nature of your data and which style of graph or chart would best represent it. For instance, if you're comparing quantities, a bar graph might be most useful, whereas trends over time may be better visualized with a line graph. Once you've decided, simply click on your chosen chart or graph to add it to your canvas. With the chart now on your Canva document, it's time to customize it with your own data. Canva makes this process easy. Clicking on the chart will usually open up editing options where you can input your data directly, change colors, fonts, and formats to match the design of your overall document. Feel free to experiment with different customizations until the visual representation aligns perfectly with your intended presentation style. And there you have it. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, take a moment to review your document in its entirety to ensure cohesion and clarity. Adding charts and graphs can significantly enhance the way information is communicated, making your document not only more engaging, but also more insightful. We've walked through accessing your document, inserting elements, and personalizing your charts to convey your data narrative effectively. I hope this step-by-step guide has been informative and empowers you to use Canva's tools to their fullest potential.